Okay, danke schön.
Hello, hello. I have 2 challenges today. Actually, maybe 3 because of the sun. First, I want to crash at least 3 myths about liveaboard lifestyle, and the second one, I want to make the whole episode shot by only an action cam, just for fun. So let's go. Look at the view. Good morning. I decided to show a little bit of our daily routine. So every day I have to go up by this road. While Bert was working on the boat, I went for computer work to the office. We're quite happy to find this little bookstore and a coffee shop, like running by 2 Thai ladies. Myth number 1, that we spend 100% of our time on board. Actually, when we are on anchor and it's about 95% of whole cruising time, we spend on the land. Of course, if we don't have some urgent or not urgent boat work. So usually we exploring new places, walking, beaching, swimming. Most of the time we are working in the coffee shops, looking for and buying provision, boat supplies, meeting new people. Our boat is our home where we sleep, this for sure. So far we spent only 1 night ashore at our friend's place because we love our home. And this is our home office, and somewhere there, LIVEABOARD. Today I'm optimizing our blog articles for SEO. After another couple of hours, I went back to LIVEABOARD, as we planned to meet a friend later on the beach. Now we go back. Myth number 2, that we don't meet with non-sailors anymore. Not true! Both of us, we adore to meet new people with unusual lifestyle, interesting philosophy and crazy mindset. And I'm happy to say, since we've moved on board, we meet really extraordinary people. But not many sailors. Because here, you know, this area where we're cruising, Southeast Asia, is still kind of remote, and it has its advantages. It's supposed to be a nice walk on the beach.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, we could go to Cashewnut. Außerdem,
Guliver.
die Besitzerin ist meine Nachbarin.
Come back.
Ah, okay, okay. Aber ich kannte die schon,
Who
kenn
is
ich
so
schon seit 3
wet?
Jahren, schon lange bevor ich dahin.
Sunday is a diving day.
It's my happy face, by the way.
From one boat to the other boat. Myth number 3, that if we go for sailing, only by our boat. Bullshit! We love to have days off and to be invited by our friends. Isn't it pleasant when someone is doing your skipper job and you can just enjoy your day? Sometimes we even pay for this. Like this time where we went for diving with our friends on our friend's boat. exercise, go upstairs to pick up our bike, to have breakfast. And to go for diving.
Hello, it's Sunday, it's our day off, and guess what we are doing? We're living on a boat, and where are we going? We go on another boat.
Okay, good morning everyone. We have a dog on board. If you don't want to stay in the sun, okay, you can move one seat.
Look who is with us today. Who is in this city? Who is? We are ready for our first dive. Same place. Same company. I forgot an underwater case on that day, so there is no underwater footage. But I have some funny shots from the boat. I will share. The boat doesn't look like a typical diving one. I would call it like a party diving boat with the touch of a French chic. We came to Croatia, that is placed just in a couple of hours from Phuket. The bay is full as usual, the sun is shining. Hey guliver, let's go back. Looked like it was a great day. It was, and that's what I love about sailing and diving. It's positive emotions and happy people. Not only me think like this, because the next day we've met again our friends and went for a sailing trip all together. This time on Lilliput. You already start to get seasick? We just met with the guys. Now going to the boat to make a check-in. Right here. Okay.
Gulli will be next.
Come on, boy.
Fasten.
Hot on the towel, you see? Just in there. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
You've been here already, right?
Yes, on the boat, yeah. When it's in
a condition of repairing.
yes.
Okay. So welcome home. To be continued in the next season. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like if you liked it and push the subscribe button. And welcome on board. See you next time.